The easiest way to do display color calibration in Windows 11 is to do the right click in the start icon and then go to settings. And the second menu is system. We need to click on that and then again go to display. And here we need to scroll down and under related settings, we need to click on advanced display. Once you're here, you will see your size. I'm in the desktop mode. We don't have to do anything here. And we just need to select display adapter properties for display 1. If you have more than one, you will find right here. So we will click display adapter properties and under color management, we will click on color management again. And then we will go to advanced. And here we have this calibrate display. Now here, the most important part, I'll maximize it so that I can show you. Now you can improve the color on your display by using display color calibration. So we need to click on next. You can read all it. It just says what exactly you need to do. So what says gamma too low, good gamma, and gamma too high. So basically these dots are, so if you do not see the dot in between, that means good gamma. So we will click on next. Now we still see some gamma and it says move the slider to minimize the visibility of small dots. So if I do this, I'll see the small dot in between. If I do this, I see the small dots in between. So we need to check where exactly it's getting set, and I think this is the best for me. You can do it on your own. So for me it's good. I don't see the dots in between the circles, and I'll click on next and find brightness. You can check the brightness. I will not skip it. So too dark, good brightness, and too bright. So basically you see some, these cross, and you can do it on your own according to your convenience. So you can use the display setting on your laptop, increase or decrease. See if you see the cross and everything looks good. Once you're done, you can do with the same thing with contrast. The contrast adjustment determines the level of clarity of highlights. Right, so you can try that as well with the contrast. You can read it and then with the color. So the color balance adjustment determines how shades of gray appear on your display. So how exactly you want the neutral grays, too red, too green, too blue. All right, so you can click on next. Now it says move the red, green, and blue sliders to remove any color cast from gray bars. So from here, whatever you want, you can do that. See the changes you can do in your computer as well. And once you are satisfied, click on next and start clear type tuner. When I finished, ensure that text appears correctly. So you can check mark that, which is already checked. So basically it will show you the text. Is it visible, clear or not? So you can see, click the text sample that looks best for you. So for me, it looks better. You can also try that, whatever looks better to you. Click on next. And whatever looks clearer to you, you can click on next. So you choose the best 5 and we are good to go. So this is how you can color calibrate your monitor display in Windows 11. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.